The planet Saturn. Saturn absorbs that attribute or energy whose action expresses itself as coldness, and thus produces a nature which is slow and meditative, melancholy and repentant. This force corresponds to the blue ray of the spectrum. The planet Jupiter. Jupiter absorbs a totally different energy than the Saturnine, and radiates an influence at once jovial, a happy medium between the fast and the slow, the meditative and the thoughtless, the isolated hermit and the one too easy of excess. The influence is cheerful, generous, benevolent, and sheds light and love upon all material surroundings. This force corresponds to the purple or indigo ray of the spectrum. The planet Mars. Mars absorbs an energy which is the polar opposite of the Saturnine, and therefore radiates an influence which is sharp, energetic, thoughtless, intrepid and fierce. It is destitute of timidity, an influence which is free, combative, in the first degree, bloodthirsty and unrelenting. This energy corresponds to the spectrum. The sun is exerted by Saturn and Mars, so the sun sends forth an influence which is the happy medium between Jupiter and Mars. But majestic, proudness, ambition with paternal consideration, combativeness with self-respect, and liberality. As before stated, this influence of nature. This influence is warm and impulsive interiorly, but interiorly cool and moist, consequently pliable as the myths of the friendships between Mars and Venus. This energy corresponds to the yellow ray. Solar plexus Venus. The planet Mercury. He has been well designated as the messenger of the gods. The specific action which this orb radiates is purely scientific. It is quick and active, and is the originator of all cunning schemes and devices. It is what men term bright and witty. It is that live man of commerce, and constitutes who makes a fortune in the